See here in this problem, here voltage signal and current signal is given here. So then how can you find the power factor, average power and react power? This is the problem. So first of all, observe here in the voltage signal 25 is the voltage amplitude, nothing but Vm, and this is the voltage phase, nothing but theta V, and this is current amplitude, it is Im, and this is the current phase, it is theta I. Now I am going to find the power factor. So we know that power factor means Pf equal to cos theta. So here theta means change in the phase, nothing but cos of theta V minus theta I. So here theta V is the voltage phase and theta is the current phase. They change nothing but theta. Now substitute here, it becomes cos of 80 minus 20, nothing but cos 60 degrees, nothing but 0.5, and this is the power factor for the given problem. So here power factor have no units and it is a constant value. Now we want the average power. So average power nothing but P equal to Vm into Im by 2 into power factor. So for the average power the units is watts, and for reactive power the units is var, whereas power factor have no units and it is a constant value. Now substitute here Vm is 25 into 32 divided by 2 into, so here we got Pf, that is 0.5. By simplifying this we will get average power P equal to 200 watts. Now similarly find the react power. We know that react power, that is Q equal to Vm into Im by 2 into sin theta. So here theta means theta V minus theta I, that is we got 60 degrees, that is sin 60 degrees, and Vm is the voltage amplitude, that is 25, Im is the current amplitude, that is 32. Now substitute here, it becomes 25 into 32 divided by 2 into sin 60. By simplifying this we will get react power Q equal to 346.4102 var. So var is the voltage ampere react power. So this is the react power, and this is the average power, and this is the power factor for the given problem, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.